So in Photos, let's see how we can actually go ahead and then edit them out. For example, let me just go ahead and click on this picture and then go around over here onto edit. So over here, what we're going to do is we're going to go around and work with light, color, and pop option. So here you can see that there's many different editing options, and one of them is the tools right here, just like this, and there's the SDR effect and everything right here. So once you go around over here, you can see that I can change around the SDR effect right here. I can really push this up, or you can bring it down right here. And you can see that as I bring up the SDR, the details actually get more intense. You can change around the brightness of the image right here as well, and change around the contrast just like this as well. Apart from that, you can change around the white point right here, change around the highlights right here. That is, you can work around with the bright areas. You can decrease out the highlights right here, and then increase out the shadows right here, just like this as well. So this is what you have, and you can change around the contrast, and you can see that it changes out and you get much more details. You can change around the black points right here. You can even change around the saturation level, as you can see, and change around the warmth level to make it much more cooler or warmer, as you can see right here. Let's make it cooler right here and decrease out the saturation, and that is what you have. You can change around the tint to make it more pinkish or more greenish right here, just like this as well, and that is what you have. Apart from that, you can work around with the skin tone to actually go ahead and then add in more to it or less. But there is no skin right here, so you can actually see this hand for reference right here, and I can change around the skin to much more saturated or decrease out right here. Then you can change around the blue tone right here as well, so you can make it less blue or more blue. Then apart from that, you can also make it more pop right here, just like this, as you can see. So that means it is much more sharper, and you can also go ahead and add in vignette over here, just like this, to add in dark edges around, as you can see, just like that. And that is how you can go ahead and then adjust out the light, color, and pop options inside of Google Photos and work around with the adjust options. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.